नानक नाम चढ़दी कला तेरे बाणे सरबद्दा bila. My name is Ritik, and today I will be speaking about a topic. And this is a topic where we have to relate this to our current life, our ongoing situations, our ongoing practices, whatever we are doing, and the bad deeds that we have done. Thinking about the fruit, thinking about the results before doing our work. So let me start with the shlok of Bhagavad Gita in the chapter 18, verse number 66. Krishna says, Sarva dharmani paritajya mamikam sharanam vraja aham tvam sarva papebhyo mokshishyami mahasucha. He says that you do not have to think about anything. Forget everything and take refuge in me. He says, come in my consciousness and I will free you from all the sins. So in today's era, your guru, your spiritual master is everything, who can guide you, who can tell you about your good deeds, who can show you the path, and who can make you everything. We are just predicting the results. Whatever we are doing, we are keep on thinking without discussing with our guru or without thinking with our guru. So the main thing is how we are focusing and what we are thinking. Because we have to think that our guru, our spiritual master is everything, who can release us from the bondage of life, from the materialistic world. We have to release, we have to just be free with the consciousness of our guru in the shelter of our spiritual master. Because we are looking in current situation that everybody is making a content which is not related to the welfare of society. Why? Because they are making to just get famous. They do not know the real meaning what they are doing. And then at the end, when we grow up, we think that there is no God or the God is not helping us. Because we have not taken the refuge in the gurus, in the God's shelter. We are doing our own practice. Whether it is wrong or right, we are not considering that. We are just keep on moving forward, not thinking about our family, our society, and our nation. There are few people that we can count on our fingertips that they are achieving the gold medals or they are doing something for the nation. There are a lot of people in the world. If you look around your society, around your state and the country, even you cannot count the persons living around you. So the main thing is go to your mentor's consciousness, think about that, and make a guru or find a mentor. Because we have a teacher for everything, but find a teacher for your spiritual life who can give you the path, who can modify you. We are keep on modifying ourselves, but I don't know for which direction we are going. The direction is very important. Like in the Mahabharata, Krishna gave the direction. He was the guru for Arjuna. Same goes for us. We have to find a guru, a mentor who can show us the path and just create the wisdom in ourselves. We have to spread the knowledge, whatever we have, the good knowledge, by making the content which is not going to help anybody or which can destroy us. Doesn't seem to be good. Because our ultimate goal is to find the spiritual master. or not finding the spiritual master. So that's something that we can do for the society or for the welfare of the society. So this is all I was going to talk about, and the knowledge which I'm sharing to you is I have got from my spiritual master. So I'm not teaching you anything. Whatever I have learned, this is what I am spreading. And if you like it, so please implement something and think about the nation, because our nation needs it. The country, the world needs it. We know that whatever we are doing in the night or in the day, we assume nobody is looking us. But you are being watched by the Supreme Personality, which you are not aware. So we have to be aware and think about it and serve something to the nation by providing the spiritual knowledge. And it will only come from the spiritual master, from your Gurudev. Not from the academic, science, and the maths, but the knowledge of your subconsciousness and consciousness and the spiritual life. So thank you very much. I hope I am able to share some of my views regarding it. And if there is anything wrong, I would like to apologize for this. And I hope you will do meditation as we do at the end of the video. So I would request you to please chant the name for a few seconds and just think about your guru, or in whichever you believe. You have to chant the name. Please close your eyes and do meditation for a few seconds. Open your eyes. Thank you very much. This is all for today, and I will be sharing with you some more topics briefly in upcoming days. So thank you very much. Nanak Naam Chardi Kala, Tere Bane Sabanda Bala.